Welcome back to Archithings, the channel where we explore inspiring design concepts from around the world. In today's episode, we dive into a fascinating architectural fusion, where the raw power of brutalist design meets the calming influence of nature through passive house principles. Get ready for a deep dive into a home that uses exposed concrete, lush indoor gardens, and sustainable design to redefine modern living. If you love bold design, eco-conscious living, and fresh architectural ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Like this video if it inspires you, and drop a comment below with your favorite part or design idea you'd love to see in your own home. Now, let's explore how brutalist architecture can harmonize with the natural world through thoughtful design, green materials, and smart energy use. Welcome to Brutalism Meets Nature, passive house design with concrete walls and indoor gardens. Let's get started. Brutalism is often misunderstood. Characterized by its use of raw concrete and stark geometry, it originated in the mid-20th century as a bold response to the ornate styles that came before. While some see it as cold or oppressive, architects and designers today are reimagining it as a canvas for warmth and innovation. What makes brutalism so compelling is its honesty. Materials are left exposed, structures are celebrated, and nothing is hidden behind decorative facades. This authenticity creates a strong architectural identity, which provides a perfect backdrop for integrating natural elements. Modern brutalist homes can be incredibly livable when balanced with organic materials, greenery, and natural light. And when you incorporate passive house strategies, the beauty of brutalism can be both sustainable and serene. The passive house standard is all about ultra-efficiency. It focuses on minimizing energy consumption by optimizing insulation, air sealing, window orientation, and ventilation. The goal is to reduce the need for mechanical heating and cooling systems. Unlike traditional energy-hungry buildings, passive houses work with the environment, not against it. That means using the sun, the wind, and the natural thermal properties of materials like concrete to maintain comfort year-round. Combining brutalist aesthetics with passive house design may seem contradictory at first. But with the right strategies, concrete walls and sustainable principles can work hand in hand to create beautiful, functional homes. Concrete isn't just about looks, it has thermal mass, which means it can absorb and store heat during the day and release it at night. This makes it an ideal material for passive homes, especially when strategically placed and insulated. The thick concrete walls used in brutalist architecture help regulate indoor temperatures naturally. Combined with airtight construction and triple-glazed windows, these walls reduce energy use dramatically while still maintaining the desired aesthetic. When detailed properly, concrete becomes a sculptural element. It can be cast into elegant forms, contrasted with wood or steel, or textured to catch the light in unique ways. Brutalist materials don't have to feel brutal, they can feel grounding. One of the most striking elements of this design is the use of indoor gardens. These aren't just for aesthetics, they're essential to softening the rawness of concrete and providing a connection to nature within the home. Indoor gardens act as microclimates, improving air quality, reducing stress, and enhancing overall well-being. They bring warmth and life to the coolness of concrete, offering contrast and balance. From full-height green walls to serene inner courtyards, these garden spaces are strategically placed to capture sunlight, invite airflow, and provide ever-changing textures throughout the year. Passive design means making the most of available sunlight. Large south-facing windows let in warmth during winter while overhangs and shading devices prevent overheating in summer. This reduces the need for artificial heating and cooling. In this home, skylights and clerestory windows flood the space with daylight, bouncing off concrete surfaces to illuminate interiors without electricity. The result is a naturally lit environment that feels both monumental and intimate. Light also plays a critical emotional role, transforming concrete from cold and static to luminous and dynamic as it shifts throughout the day. Light makes the brutalism feel alive. Good air quality is essential in a passive house, especially when it's tightly sealed. This is where mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, MVHR, systems come in, bringing in fresh air without wasting energy. Concrete walls may not breathe, but the house does. The indoor gardens also play a role here, acting like natural air purifiers. Together with the ventilation system, they ensure a healthy living environment. This blend of technology and nature ensures that the air inside feels fresh and invigorating, not stale or trapped. You can literally breathe easier in a home like this. Thermal mass works best when it's exposed to the sun during the day and shaded at night. In this design, the concrete floors and walls absorb sunlight, stabilizing interior temperatures across seasons. This helps keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer without using much energy. It's a smart, low-tech way to manage indoor climate, and it's built right into the materials. By using concrete not just as structure, but as climate control, the home becomes a passive participant in maintaining comfort. It's architecture doing the work so your systems don't have to. Biophilic design is all about our innate connection to nature. By incorporating natural materials, daylight, plants, and organic forms, homes feel more nurturing and alive. This home takes biophilic design seriously, bringing the outside in with indoor trees, open courtyards, and materials that age gracefully. It's not just about looking at nature, but living within it. Even the concrete itself becomes a natural material when it reflects the environment, holding warmth from the sun, collecting shadows from leaves, or echoing the textures of stone and earth. To complement the mass of concrete, open floor plans allow air and light to move freely. Interior walls are minimized, creating a sense of expansiveness and visual continuity. This openness connects all elements of the house, living, dining, gardens, and sleeping areas, into one holistic experience. There are no dead ends, everything flows. It's about freedom of movement and sightlines that lead from one material experience to another. Concrete transitions to greenery, which transitions to sky, and back again. While concrete dominates, it's not alone. Materials like reclaimed wood, blackened steel, and soft textiles are used to contrast and complement the rawness. It's all about balance. Texture is crucial here. A polished concrete floor feels very different from a board-formed wall or a sandblasted finish. Every surface invites touch and interaction. These contrasts make the home feel curated rather than cold. It's a tactile journey, not just a visual one, and that adds to the overall livability. Furnishings in this style lean toward minimalism with comfort. Think clean-lined sofas, natural fabrics, and earthy tones that echo the materials of the house itself. Furniture placement emphasizes openness and flow, often floating within the space rather than being anchored to walls. This allows the architecture to remain the main feature. Indoor plants and subtle lighting complete the look, emphasizing calmness, tranquility, and connection to the rhythms of nature. Passive design is just one piece of the sustainability puzzle. This home also uses rainwater harvesting, low-impact materials, and responsibly sourced finishes to minimize its footprint. The landscaping around and inside the home is drought-tolerant, reducing water use while still providing lush greenery. Every element is chosen with sustainability in mind. From the structure to the soil, the entire home is a testament to how brutalism can be beautiful and responsible. Let's look at a real-world example, a passive house that integrates brutalist architecture and indoor gardens, known as the concrete garden house. This project features double-height concrete walls, sunken plant beds, and a massive skylight that floods the home with daylight. It's both fortress and greenhouse. Inside, thermal mass and passive ventilation reduce energy use to near zero, while a central courtyard filled with trees brings nature into every room. It's a masterclass in balance. You don't need to build a full brutalist structure to apply these ideas. Start with thermal mass, add greenery inside, and focus on airflow and insulation. Even small design choices, like orienting windows for solar gain or adding a living wall, can bring passive principles and natural calm into your space. Design is about intention. Whether you love raw concrete or just want to live more sustainably, this fusion offers a powerful and practical path forward. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of brutalist design and passive house living. We hope this video inspired you to see concrete and indoor gardens in a whole new light. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us what you'd love to see next on Archithings. Your support helps us keep bringing you thoughtful, creative design content every week. Until next time, stay inspired and keep designing for beauty, sustainability, and balance. See you soon on Archithings.